Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert any design into grayscale, I mean black and white. Here you can see I have a design for our university and I want to print it in black and white so I can save some inks. So in this case you can use your Canva and convert any design into black and white, so that will be more easy to print. And if you just normally go and print this color in black and white, you will not get the best result. But if you convert it into grayscale and adjust some of the black color, you will get more better result. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, when you have a design inside Canva, you need to download it. You can just go to share and download the design. So I've already downloaded the design in my download section. Now what you need to do, you just need to create a new page, and then you can just select one page and delete all element, just make a blank page. Now you need to upload the design. I have already uploaded the design here, so I'm just going to click here and just put it right here and fit with the page like the previous one. So basically here we have all the editable elements, and here we have the simple one page element, and that is our design. Now you need to go to edit image. From here you will see this option adjust. Just go to adjust. Now from here you can see, if I just go scroll a little below, you can see this option colors, and from here you just need to make the saturation to -100. Now you can see all our color have been gone from this page, and now it is grayscale. And but there is the option you can also enhance this grayscale to look more good when you print, like the dark color is not too much dark here. What we can do, we can just select the image, go to edit again, adjust, and from here you can see this option blacks. You can just increase the blacks. If you increase this, you can see the black is looking more black right now, and if you print this image, it will look more good on black and white print. You can just increase the black like this. So that's it, and this is our final result for this design as a grayscale. I hope this video helped you to convert any design into black and white and grayscale. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next video.